In this short video tutorial, we will talk about the break tag that you can use in the body section of your web page to break the content and display the content in separate lines. Now, the break tag also falls in the category of content tags. It also falls in the category of content tags. So let's see how the break tag works. So suppose we write a line. This is line 1, and we put a full stop and we say this is line 2. Now let's see how this output is displayed by the browser. So I will open the browser and I will refresh our page. Notice that the browser has displayed the line, both these lines in just the single line. So it has displayed this is line 1, and right next to it, it has displayed this is line 2. Now, what the break tag does is the break tag will break this line into two different lines. So how to use the break tag? The break tag is just a single tag. So we write it in the following manner. We put the angle bracket, then we write BR, which stands for break, then we put the forward slash, and then we close this bracket. So it is just a single tag. So we open this tag with the help of this bracket, then write BR, which is the name of the tag, and then put forward slash and the ending bracket. So with this break tag, the browser will break this line into two different lines. It will display this line first, and in the next line, it will display the second line. So I have saved this code. Let me open the browser and refresh this page. Now, when we refresh this page, notice that the browser has displayed, it has actually broken this line into two lines and shown these two lines in this manner. So if you use multiple break tags, so if I use two break tags and refresh the page, you will see that more space has been created between these two lines. So any number of break tags can be used in the code, and the more the number of break tags you use, the more gap you will see between the lines in the browser. So this is how you can use the break tag to give spacing between the lines in the browser. Notice the format in which we write the break tag. We write the starting angle bracket, then BR, which is the name of the tag, and then we close it by writing the forward slash and the closing angle bracket. So with this, we will end our short tutorial here. To access our complete web development course, please visit openeschool.com/web development. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates. Thank you.